Teds Woodworking Review. Who doesn't want to engage in a fun yet productive hobby during the weekends and relieve themselves of all the week-long pent-up stress? And in my opinion, when it comes to the field of stress-busting hobbies, there honestly is nothing quite like handcrafted woodworking projects. But people try to avoid woodworking projects as they feel that they don't have the required experience or skill set for it. I had the same opinion as well, but that was before I encountered Teds Woodworking program. What is Teds Woodworking? Teds Woodworking is made with the sole purpose of helping out amateur woodworkers who like to employ themselves in a lot of DIY activities around the house. Key features: Teds Woodworking Plans contains over 16,000 detailed plans that are pre-made for wood projects that are suitable for all levels of woodworking hobbyists. Lifetime monthly plans plus support. Ted usually drafts new plans every month. You will download them for free. 60-day ironclad money-back guarantee. No questions asked. Provide every little detail like drawing, photos, cutting lists and bill of material that you require in a plan. Instant online access plus DVDs. 150 premium videos. Free book on starting a woodworking business. You can make some extra money by selling your woodwork. This book will help you to turn your passion into profits. CAD DWG Plan Viewer. For a limited time, TED is offering an award-winning CAD DWG Plan Viewer for free to all new customers. Complete woodworking guides. Pros: more than 16,000 woodworking plans. Detailed instructions. Clear, step-by-step videos. Woodworking at your own pace. Affordable price. Cons: multiple plans for the same project. Problems with refunds. To buy Teds Woodworking from official website, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.